No, don't take that off. Okay, you want to go get hot water for the food or get something else special? Let me check the map real quick. We go to a place called Jackson Beach. You want to go check that out before sunset?
Yeah.
It's a little bit this way, and then we'll see that side of the island, and then we'll come back.
Yeah.
Basically, probably leave after that.
Yeah.
And get dinner. Fair Point Road, okay. Come on, sis. Jump on, Mama. Jump on, let's go. Come on, there's not a lot of sunlight. Do you want your coat zipped up?
Okay.
Are you sure?
Okay.
I can do it real fast. Okay, I can do it real fast. Ooh, rosemary. There's more right here. Mmm, smells good. Like chicken. We put that on chicken. Okay, hold on.
Let me eat here.
Okay, well, we got to get hot water. So if we find hot water on the way here, on the way there, we can fill it up. And it'll cook in our backpack even.
Okay.
And then we can go to bring it wherever. You didn't leave your sweater over there, did you, sis? Okay, you got your fuzzy teddy on. Okay, you want to go together on the road?
Yeah.
Okay, sis wants to go on the sidewalk then. That's fine.
Go on the sidewalk.
We'll go on the sidewalk then, sis.
Hootie don't care. Hootie don't care.
Hootie?
Hootie don't care.
Hootie don't care. Who's Hootie?
Hootie don't care. Hootie don't care. Hootie spills the jam. Hootie spills the wood. Hootie spills the candy. Hootie harasses the grandma.
Hootie?
That's what I do for free. I harass and then be nice. Karate. 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 Karate.
Hey, there's a juice.
What?
There's a juice. You want me to see if it's brand new?
Yeah, I want to come with you.
Nope, you gotta stay out of the road. Stay over there. Stay over there. Stay by your sister. Stay by your brother.
Oh, I see it too.
It's brand new.
Yes, this is the one I've been hoping for.
Okay, this is the road to the park.
Wow, this is the road that goes to the park.
Oh, you want to try that first? I could have some right now and hold it for you.
I'm going to hold it.
Okay.
I don't know where to put it.
Here, just let me hold it.
I want to drink it.
Okay, have some.
Somebody bought this for us.
Fell off the top of their car.
What?
It fell off the top of someone's car. Nice and cold though, I can see my breath.
Wow,
Jack.
it's really sour.
Yeah, it's sparkling. It's very sparkly. Here, I'll have some. Can I carry it and we get going?
I want to. I've been wishing for one of those.
You want some, sis? Black cherry.
I don't like let me have one. So you don't
More?
let me have the. I've been wishing for
Look at
it.
these flowers.
I've been wishing for
Poppies.
it, and
You want another one? Drink?
I've been wishing
just hold
for
it.
it. I wanted to hold one, and I've been wishing for it, and then you gotta.
Okay, do you need gloves on?
You gotta buy me another.
Do you need your
one.
gloves on?
No.
Okay. I had a drink, it was a free drink, so I gotta buy him another one. Okay, Mama. Here we go. Can you believe we saw whales today? Did you see them sprout? You came and told me? Thanks for coming and telling me.
No, somebody else told you.
No, you guys told me. You were the first people to tell me. And then someone said that there was whale spouts again when we went outside. Oh, there's animals up there. Are they just deer? I think they're just deer. Hold you?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to zip this up?
Nothing.
Do you?
No.
Okay. Can I hold you like this? Come on, we're not going to go on that long of a ride today.
It's barely been 1 hour.
Hey, sis. Sis, why do you want me to hold you? If you're cold, you have pants and we can zip up your coat more. Okay, I'll start holding you on the downhills, okay?
No.
Yes, I can start holding you on the downhills. You're not telling me why. We're trying to go fast to get dinner, okay? Okay, right here I can. It's not safe for me to hold you as it is to... Why do you need me to hold you? Why do you need me to hold you, hon? Are you cold somewhere? Do you need your jacket zipped up? I think you need your jacket zipped up. So can you please zip your jacket up? Right now? Look. Look, I almost got it. Oh. Zip it up. Here.
Ow.
Come on. Hold on. I'll tell you when I got it.
Oh, look at that sunset. It's really great.
Yep. Okay, which way should we go? Okay, look over there, Seth. Should we go down that road? Or should we go down that road?
That looks like a dead end.
And where are the whales? I want to go by the whales.
Daddy, I see some.
That's a dead end, but it looks really cool. Here, jump down.
Yeah, I wanna go.
Mama, can I put your
I wanna go right there.
Yeah, that looks really cool. Let's go that way. That's why I'm asking you guys which way we should go. Mama, do you want your cold weather pants on? No?
Yeah.
You want your cold pants on? Yes?
Yeah.
And then you can stand a little bit better?
I finally got my skateboard. Oh yeah.
Could you one wheel down that path right there, Cruz?
Oh yeah.
I'm just asking. Don't go do it.
Skateboard got broke. Whoa. And it's tiny.
Ruby, I'm getting your pants out. Here. Put one foot in.
When I get my
1 foot. No, you're fine. You don't need to do anything. With taking shoes off.
Oh.
Pretty sure.
Ow.
Point your toe. You're okay. Cruz, can you help balance her? Can you help balance her? Hold on to your brother. There you go. Okay, other foot. Here, we'll make it easier. Okay, other foot. In there. Okay, dust off your shoe. Shake out your shoe. That little string off there. Okay, put your foot back in. Tighten these up all the way. Does anybody want a snack out of the snack thing? Because I got that really close right here. Like gummies.
I can't believe we found that juice.
You want like 2 gummies?
I can't believe we found that juice.
Okay, I'm gonna have a couple gummies here. Go.
I'm the king.